here's the number one trick to make more sales in your business. So if you're struggling to make sales, you might want to save this video for your reference. So the number one trick is to simply talk about the benefits instead of the features of your product or service. A lot of people talk about all the features of their product or service, thinking that's what their customer really cares about. But your customers really care about the benefits that they're going to get after buying your product or your service. So let's say, for example, you have a mobile car detailing business where you go out and you wash and detail people's cars. So if you're only talking about the features of your service, you might say something like, I'll drive out to your location and wash your car. I have 5 years of experience as a professional car wash and detailer. I use professional equipment and I have 5-star reviews. Now, if you're talking about the benefits of your service, it might sound something like this. Not everybody has the time to take care of their car like they should, which is why I save you time by going to your location and giving your car a professional car wash. After doing business with me, you're going to get in your car and feel like you're driving a completely brand new car. And you're going to be the envy of your neighbors because they're going to wish their car looked as good as yours does. So one thing to keep in mind is that people tend to buy something based off of emotion, but they justify their purchase with logic. Now, if you want to learn more tips on how to grow your online business, make sure to follow me.